Hello friends, this is Shrutija. Welcome to the positive news which is being telecasted in PMC USA YouTube channel. The purpose of bringing this news is to highlight various activities happening in Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, that is PSSM USA and other affiliated PSSM organizations. PSSM is totally committed to spread the word of meditation, plant-based food and pyramid energy. All the programs telecasted would be related to one of these topics. About PSSM, Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, that is PSSM, founded by Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, is a non-profit, autonomous, non-religious voluntary movement working across USA promoting benefits of meditation, vegetarianism, pyramid energy and spiritual science. Also conducting numerous programs like free workshops for corporates and group sessions, one-on-one sessions, seminars with goal of enlightening with self-realization, healthy life, self-empowerment to one and all. PMC USA and PMC USA Multilingual Channel. PMC USA channel. This is purely English-based channel which will bring all the content like meditation live events, summits, experience sharing of various masters across the globe. PMC USA Multilingual Channel. This channel will serve all languages other than English. The content will be on similar lines with meditation events, summits, experience sharing and so on, but to cater to non-English speaking viewers. PSSM ongoing events. PSSM USA is in collaboration with Pyramid Spiritual Science Academy, that is PSSA, has designed a level 2 course of ethical and yogic excellence. This course is continuation of level 1 and we request participants to go through level 1 course if not attended earlier so that it become easier to follow level 2. This course needs a mandatory registration which started from January 25th and completed 4 sessions so far. Please follow the flyer for further details. PSSM USA in collaboration with Buddha CEO is organizing book club twice a week to encourage book reading to friends across the USA and rest of the world. These sessions happen every Monday and Thursday from 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. EST. Please reach out to info@pssmusa.org to join this club. PSSM USA Multilingual ongoing events. PMC USA Multilingual channel also caters to participants from other regions and conducts various programs in different languages. Atmayanam sessions are being conducted by our master Prasanna Medisetti from Austin. Jnanavatar Yukteswar Giri life story by Hani Aman Ali Khan and hosted by Nilima Paturi from Iowa. All these sessions are available on YouTube for participants to revisit at your own convenience. PSSM Global ongoing events. Meditation with Pari every Thursday at 9 p.m. EST in the event Elevate Your Energy. Please look for details at www.pssmglobal.org/events. PSSM Global ongoing event. PSSM Global is initiating one another event named as Spiritual Science International Meet 2. This event is mainly focused on plant-based diet and various organizations and masters supporting this event from across the globe. This is a free event and can be registered in the site www.ssimlive.com, which is scheduled on January 30 to 31st of 2021. Activities happening in USA. There are daily and weekly sessions happening across the US region and details of the same are in the attached flyer. For further info, please reach out to the customer service 1770-872-0955 and email is info@pssmusa.org. PSSM USA announcement. PMC USA, as part of promoting plant-based food, is also getting ready to showcase on how easy and tasty food can be prepared without using of garlic, mushrooms or microwaves. So please watch our channel for every other Saturday for a new recipe which will be telecasted. PSSM USA is conducting 21 days of joyful meditation for new members. This event is starting from Feb 1st, 2021 at 9:30 to 10:30 pm EST. Please check the flyer for joining details. PSSM Austin announcement. PSSM Austin is conducting 41-day meditation challenge for new members. This meditation program is for new members called Breath Mindfulness. This event is starting from Jan 18th, 2021 at 9:30 to 10:15 pm CST. Please check the flyer for joining details. PSSM New Jersey announcement. PSSM New Jersey is conducting 41-day meditation challenge for new members with special sessions every weekend. This event is starting from January 16th, 2021. Please check the flyer for joining details. PSSM Global announcement. PSSM Global has proudly launched its new services called Pyramid Call Services Global. Intention of this service is to provide a platform to a new seeker to get attached to a master who can talk in their respective language and provide guidance about the meditation and help them to assign a group so as to participate in day-to-day program. For further info, please reach out to the customer service 1770-872-0955 and the email is info@pssmusa.org. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you. Shrutija signing off.